Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Nissan Altima Headlight, full guide. Remove the negative battery terminal first to cut power, then open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Unscrew or unclip the fasteners holding the assembly, then gently pull it forward to access the bulb. Carefully unlock the bulb socket, remove the old bulb by twisting, and install the new bulb by reversing the steps and testing the light afterward. Start by loosening the fasteners that secure the headlight assembly, keeping track of screws and clips for reinstallation. Pull the assembly straight out enough to reach the bulb socket without forcing anything. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it, then carefully unplug the wiring harness from the back of the bulb. Handle the bulb by the base and avoid touching the glass to prevent premature failure from oils and dirt. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker I used in the shop is great for hands-free instructions and timers. Check the description for the link and other deals. It keeps music and instructions handy while you work, which is surprisingly useful. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Place the new bulb into the socket, making sure it seats fully and locks with a clockwise twist. Then reconnect the wiring harness securely. Reposition the headlight assembly into the bumper opening, align mounting tabs, and reinstall all screws and clips to factory tightness. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the car, and test both low and high beams to confirm correct alignment and function before driving. Adjust aim if necessary for safe nighttime visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.